Kim on the Mali that saying that movie. Yo, Mr. MUTA, you sound like a what?
This is Shaquille Murray, and right now I am about to reason with FOOTA hype. He seems to having some problems with Irie and KOFFEE. So let us get into the meat of the matter. Yes, FOOTA hype, welcome back to the table. Welcome to the No Name Show. I have a few questions for you. And my first question is, you seems to having some problems with Irie and KOFFEE. Why?
What do you not hear me telling you say? One big media house want me to do an interview, want me to talk about certain issues. But then them a tell me say, me cannot say nothing about KOFFEE or Irie.
Did you do the interview?
If me can't talk how me truly feel, me not do the interview.
May I ask, which media house is that?
That big media house is Irie FM.
Really?
That big media house is Irie FM. I can't call them name because this is the honest truth. One of them program call me. May I call people them name I can, but Irie FM them call on behalf of, yeah?
So what did they want to talk to you about?
Them basically want with the bonfire but water down the fire when it come to Irie and KOFFEE. So now when me get this yesterday now, say MUTA BARUKA, I go say.
Hold on, FOOTA, hold on. Did I hear you say MUTA BARUKA?
If them can come tell FOOTA hype, when I work for Irie FM, when I get a paycheck from Irie FM, see? When I benefit nothing from Irie FM, say me not say nothing about KOFFEE and Irie. Then imagine what them tell MUTA say now.
What do you think they told him?
Them gonna tell MUTA say, yo, if you say nothing against KOFFEE or Irie, you lose your job. You have to go come off on radio. We are going to do there with any contract.
What MUTA have to do with this? Clear the air.
Come in and know how MUTA BARUKA. If you come out after member MUTA try beat Fantan Moja to a pulp. Member MUTA BARUKA beat Sizzla to a pulp.
Well, I understand the issue he had with Fantan Moja. But Sizzla, what does that have to do with this?
Because Sizzla the head of one of the sector Rasta and him have a problem with all them are dealing with it.
So FOOTA, the whole of this rundown here now is boiling down to hell. What do you have to say to MUTA?
Oh, you are going to say, you don't see nothing wrong with what KOFFEE do. Oh, you don't see nothing wrong with what KOFFEE do, or you don't want to see anything wrong with what KOFFEE do. And boy, she out there doing what she do and making her millions. You sound like a pussy wall. What Kim on the Mali that saying that movie? Yo, Mr. MUTA, you sound like a...
Well, FOOTA, give thanks for the reasoning. See me, brother. Walk good. Guidance. Well, people, him say so. I know me. This is Shaquille Murray, and I'm out.